The Brush Your Teeth song from me to you, the Simply Swank Mommy. Brush your teeth, please. All of them. With toothpaste. Get your toothbrush. Are you ready? Toothpaste on, nice and steady. Don't you wiggle, stand so strong. And to Jesus you belong. He gave you those pearly whites. It's your job to keep them bright. Brush your teeth, sing this song. Read the words and hum along. Brush and brush and brush your teeth 2 minutes at a time. Brush and brush and brush and brush so the song will rhyme. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. Brush them till they're clean. Brush and brush and brush and brush so they don't turn green. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. Brush them every night. Brush and brush and brush and brush so they will stay white. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. Brush them up and down. Brush and brush and brush and brush so they don't turn brown. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. Brush them in the back. Brush and brush and brush and brush so they don't turn black. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. Brush the front ones too. Brush and brush and brush and brush so they don't turn blue. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. Brush them circle style. Brush and brush and brush and brush. Take care of your smile. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. Take some time to spit. Brush and brush and brush and brush. Don't swallow not a bit. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. Brush the gunk away. Brush and brush and brush and brush. Soon you can go play. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. You are almost done. Brush and brush and brush and brush. Soon you can go run. Brush and brush and brush your teeth. You are finished. Yay! Slosh and rinse and spit and wipe. You clean the gunk away. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.